Welcome to all. Today we'll be discussing about the marketing strategy of XSpicy restaurant. So the topics which we'll be covering are about XSpicy, FNB, about Dehradun city, comparative analysis of the existing restaurants, how we can use social media to gain advantage and our winning formula. Okay, so about XSpicy, it is a multi-cuisine restaurant by the Indie Smart Group, and in the Dehradun city. So we'll be talking about Dehradun city. It's a primarily growing urbanized city for the young population of the people. How the people want a healthier food over there, the quality and the affordable pricing of the food. Hiring income people of the consumers and more families, so we have more customers over there. According to the facts, Indian food and beverage packaging market was valued at around USD 26.28 billions in 2019, and it is expected to reach USD 122.78 billions by 2025. So it's a huge jump, and I want us to be a part of it. So basically, the people over to 85% don't know what they are going to have food beforehand in the restaurants which they are going. So now we will talk about the comparative analysis of the top 5 restaurants in Dehradun, namely Black Pepper, Town Table, Aerodyne, Orchid, and Carlson Restaurant. These 5 are the top restaurants currently in Dehradun. Now the comparative analysis which we have to do and the consideration which we have to take for these are the neighbor of the XSpicy, how the people are there, how we can match the competitive. Talking about the first one, which is the Black Pepper Restaurant, basically serving the North Indian dishes like paneer makmalai, tandoori potato, paneer butter masala, etc. An average cost of around 800 rupees for 2 people without alcohol, and along with that they do have a full bar service available, which would obviously increase the price. They have table booking services, live sports screening, and home delivery facilities also available in the Black Pepper Restaurant. So now the second one is the Town Table Restaurant. They are serving the cuisines for North Indian, Chinese, Continental, Thai, Italian, and Mexican. So the popular dishes are like they're famous for the cocktails and sizzlers in Dehradun city. They do have a bar available, so they have an average increased cost of around 1800 rupees per 2 people, and they have a karaoke over there, which is a very good thing, which is attractive thing. They serve cocktails over there, and the best thing is that they have a home delivery of these things. The third one is Aerodyne Multi Cuisine. So people who want to have an experience of flight food, good cuisine, so they can have. They are basically serving North Indian, Chinese, Continental, Mexican, and Thai over there, and they have an average cost around 950 rupees for 2 people. They do not serve alcohol over there. They accept card and cash. Home delivery services is available, and obviously it's indoor sitting, most of it. They do have outdoor sitting in the sunny days as well. So the fourth one is the Orchid. Orchid is serving the cuisines for Chinese, Thai, Tibetan, and they are basically famous for the momos in the region. And they have an average expenditure of around 500 to 600 rupees. By the way, they do have a very good thing that they have a huge parking, so no issues with the parking. They do have outdoor seating. With that, they do have live music, and Wi-Fi is available. Seating is very good. They have good seating place. Talking about the fifth one, the Kalsang. This one is a bit expensive. They're famous for the momos, and basically they're serving the cuisines for Chinese, Korean, Tibetan. Obviously, I said very famous for the momos. So they have these devil momos over there, chicken momos and honey chili, but are the expensive things. I think they have an average of around 1,000 for 2 people. They have indoor and outdoor seating as well, and along with that, they do have a smoking area over there. Live sports screening is what they do over there. So now we'll be talking about the social media tools. The 3 platforms which we're gonna use are Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. So how we can use these 3 platforms, we'll be talking about it now. So why basically we are using these tools is they'll help us make brand awareness. Customer engagement is quite large on these platforms, so we get a large target audience, and analytically we can analysts have an analysis of how we can create our ads and how we are doing good on advertising or not. So these are the things why we have to use the social media tools. So basically we should always develop a brand hashtag. So for that we have to set up a business profile a very good compelling account, compelling bio, good profile picture, and a very good username. For that we have to be very analytic for that, and along with that we have to schedule our posts, like for if there's a Holi, so we have to place according to that. And now we have to always start engaging, we have to always post our photos so that we can engage with the customers online. How to gain competitive advantage over other restaurants. So basically we have very few competitors which serve similar food as Xspicy. Very high visibility, the place is very visible, for example Rajpur Road. The ambience of the place, the variety of food and drink which we will be offering to our customers, the price should be very competitive so that the people are not having issues with the pricing. Capitalizing on the core of the competencies like the quality and hospitality services should be very good. For example, we are sending for the home delivery, the packaging, etc. For the winning formula, how we can win is like we have to do a deep survey, and we have to take a feedback from our customers. With that, I would like to thank you all for this. Thank you very much.